AI used to just crunch numbers. Back in the day, it was all about solving equations faster or searching for patterns buried deep in data. But today, AI is basically becoming a scientific sidekick. Modern language models can read tens of thousands of research papers, spot links humans might miss, and even come up with fresh hypotheses from biology to particle physics. Picture this. I type in a question, and my AI assistant instantly sifts through 200 studies, spits out a summary, and highlights what we still don't know. It's not about replacing scientists. It's about supercharging us doing in hours what used to take months. Now, we're entering the era of autonomous agents, not just programs that analyze data, but digital partners that act with scientific intent. These AI agents don't just suggest ideas, they generate research questions, design experiments, and even recommend which molecules or materials to test next. Imagine a virtual postdoc that never sleeps, learning nonstop from latest global data and constantly sharpening its own logic. Take drug discovery. An AI agent can mix and match chemical structures that nobody's ever tried, proposing a brand new drug candidate in minutes. It's not sci-fi, it's happening right now. Here's where it gets wild. AI can accelerate the entire discovery cycle. Let's compress the timeline from spotting a problem, scanning the literature, designing experiments, running tests, and publishing results all at lightning speed. In material science, AI's uncovered new superconductors. In medicine, it's designed antibiotics and vaccine candidates. And in biology, some models can now predict how proteins fold, cracking puzzles that stumped researchers for decades. Just compare the old way to the AI-boosted way. What used to take years can now happen in weeks, sometimes even days. So, are we ready for AI scientists? Walk into labs today, and you'll find digital brains hard at work, while human researchers double-check their outputs. But there are real questions to face. What about bias in the data? Can we trust AI-designed studies? And can anyone actually explain how the AI got its results? Here's my take: AI won't replace scientists. But scientists who use AI, they'll soon outpace those who don't. This revolution isn't about swapping out human minds, it's about amplifying them. Like and comment if you believe AI could unlock the next scientific breakthrough.